Welcome to AlphaNumericTricks. Today we are going to see CBSE Class 8 Maths Chapter 8 Comparing Quantities. First we will see some introduction about ratio and percentage. Okay. First we will see ratio and percentage. Introduction of ratio and percentage, and we will start the exercise problems. First we will see ratio. Okay, suppose in your class you have number of boys will be equal to 30, and then number of girls is equal to 20. Okay, suppose you want to find out ratio of boys to girls. Ratio of boys to girls. Ratio of boys to the girls. First occur boys and then girls. So the ratio will be equal to, first you have to write the quantity of boys here and then the quantity of girls. So that ratio will be equal to, here 0, 0 get cancelled, 3:2. Okay, so this is the way we have to write the ratio. In the same way, you have to find out the ratio of girls, okay, to the boys. Ratio of girls to the boys will be equal to, first you have to write the girls number. The quantity of girls will be equal to 20 and the boys will be equal to 30. So 2/3. So you can write this ratio will be equal to 2:3. Okay, this is known as 2:3 or 2:3. You can say that. And then next we will see percentage. Next we will see percentage. Okay, suppose you in your, what is mean by per and cent? Per meaning 1 and cent meaning 100. So whenever the word you, for this only you get per, whenever it a percentage is speaking, that is to be 100%. It is unique word, the word we are using. So percentage is always 100. Okay, 100% we are always speaking about the terms. Suppose you get in you're writing the exam for 100 marks and you get the exam will be 75. You say that this will be equal to, you how much marks you obtained in your exam. You can say that 75% marks. This can be told as 75% marks I will obtain in my exam. That is way you can say that. Okay, and suppose one more example. Suppose you're writing your exam for 20 marks. Okay, you're writing your exam for 20 marks and you will get 15 in that. Okay, and you will get 15 in that. How will you convert this into percentage? How will you convert this into percentages? You have to multiply this by 100. Okay, when you multiplying this by 100, you can always this will be converted into percentage. So we have this term, the 0, 0 get cancelled, and here you have this 2 times 5 times 2 is 10. 5 times 2 is 10. So 5 5s are 25 and remaining 2 you have 1 5s of 5 plus 2 you have 75. So you get 75% marks in your exam out of 20. Okay, so this is the way you can find out. For example, suppose you are writing your marks, you are writing your exam for 25 marks and you get 10 marks for that. Okay, 10 marks. How will you find it percentage? You have to multiply this by 100. So here this, how many times this? 4 times 100. 4 times 25 is equal to 100. So you get only 40% marks. This is the way you have to convert into percentage. Okay, and then next we have suppose you have, from this also you can write some other way also. Here you don't, for you consider this one. Okay, you're writing 20%, 20 for you are writing for your exam in your 20 marks and you doesn't know the value of that, but you know that how many marks you get, the value you doesn't know, but you get the 75%, 75 marks, you know that how much marks you get, that with that we have to find it out. For that also you have to multiply this by 100 and you have to take these two terms to other side. So you have a 75 and 20 is taken to here and divided by 100. Okay, so these terms get cancelled and here one time and here you get two times. 5 times 10 is 5 times 2 is equal to 10, and here you 1 times and 1 times 5 times 25, so 15. So x is equal to 15, your marks will be equal to 15. This is also you can find it out. Okay, another way, suppose you doesn't know the value of you doesn't know the how much marks you're writing the exam, that doesn't know, but you know that how many marks you obtained in that exam, how much percentage you obtained. Okay, that you know that, and out of marks also you know, suppose you get your 10 marks you obtained, but you doesn't know how much marks you wrote the exam, that you doesn't know. So in that case you have to take this value to be here, x is taken here and 40 is taken to the denominator, because x values we need to find out x now. So 4 into 100 divided by 40 is equal to x. Numerator is taken to the left hand side denominator, and denominator is taken to the right hand side, okay, of the numerator. So these terms get cancelled and here 2 times 2 and 5 times, and this is 1 time and this is 5 times. So the value of x will be equal to 25. So out of 25 you are writing the exam will be out of 25. So this way you can find out the percentage of marks, as well as how much marks you can, if you know the percentage of marks you can find out how much marks for out of 20 you obtain, or if you know the marks how much you get 10 marks and out of 25 out of how much you can get 10, that also you can find out using percentage. Okay, now we will see the exercise problem. This is the introduction, and now we will see exercise 8.1. Find the ratio of the following: speed of a cycle 15 km per hour to the speed of a scooter 30 per hour. So here cycle speed is 15 km per hour and scooter speed is 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, so here which term has occurred first? Cycle occurred first. So speed of cycle will be equal to 15 kilometer per hour. Okay, kilometer per hour, and speed of scooter is given to be 30 kilometer per hour. Okay, 30 kilometer per hour. So first your cycle is given to the speed of scooter. So you have to write a ratio. We have to find out the ratio. Ratio will be equal to first cycle occur. So first cycle divided by scooter. That will be equal to, here you have 3 times 5 is equal to 15 and 6 times 5 is equal to 30, and here you have 1 times and this is 2 times, so 1 by 2, or you can write ratio will be equal to 1:2. Okay, 1:2. This is the way you can write the ratio. And then next problem is 5 meter to 10 kilometer. So kilometer, it is given, one is meter, one is in kilometer. So either you convert both the terms to meter or to the kilometer. So we take, you know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So from that 10 kilometer, what is 10 kilometer is equal to 10 into 1000. 10 into 1000 meter is your 10 kilometer. Okay, so we have to find out the ratio of these two. First occur 5. Okay, so 5 divided by that is a 5 meter by we convert this kilometer into meter, that is your 10,000. This will be equal to 10,000 meter. So you have to write 10,000 here. Okay, so this will be equal to 1 time and this is 2 times 10 and remaining 3 zeros you have to write it. So 1 divided by 2000, our ratio will be equal to 1 is to 2000. Okay, and then here you have 50 paise to rupees 5. In the same way, what is 1 rupee? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise, isn't it? 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. So what is 5 rupee? 5 rupees is equal to 5 into 100. 5 rupees is equal to 5 into 100 paise. So you have 500 paise. 500 paise you have. So we have to find out the ratio. So ratio will be equal to, first you have 50 paise. So 50 divided by, second is 5 rupees. 5 rupees is converted into paise, it becomes 500. So these two terms get cancelled and 1 time, and this is 1 time 10. So 1 by 10. So this ratio will be equal to, the ratio of this will be equal to 1 is to 10. Okay, that's all for this video. Remaining problems in this exercise, we will see it in the next video. Thank you.